You might be excited to renovate your space, but here's the truth. Without a clear strategy, you'll end up wasting time, money, and energy. But there's a design approach that changes everything. So, in this Scandinavian-Contemporary redesign for one of our subscribers, we started with a design strategy that transformed the space, making it balanced, functional, and effortlessly stylish. Now let's get started. This is the space we're about to redesign. At first glance, it might seem hopeless, an outdated ceiling, worn floors, and walls. But that's exactly where transformation begins. So, you can smoothen the ceiling and added recessed pin lights for a clean, modern touch. The floors? Replaced with light-toned wood planks to brighten the space. While in the bathroom, large format tiles created a polished finish. But the biggest shift came from the walls. It is now painted in soft beige to set a calm, inviting tone. Each area has layered treatments based on its purpose and mood. In the living area, hallway, and foyer, slatted wood panels add cozy focal points. For the bedroom and guest room, you'll see a mix of slatted panels and headboards panels for a relaxing feel. The dining area features a perforated wood accent for depth and contrast. And lastly, in the bathroom, marble-look porcelain tiles bring quiet elegance. So now, what was once unfinished is a warm, layered Scandinavian contemporary home. Next, let's talk about the furniture and layered fixtures. The living area had enough space for both a seating zone and media entertainment. So we started with the furniture. For seating, comfort and easy circulation are the key. A $300 plush 3-seater sofa paired with 2 reclining armchairs fits perfectly. Then a low round black coffee table and round wooden side table area added for function. Also, to keep things light, you can use a cylindrical poof and a curved Ottoman-style footrest, all grounded by a large rectangular area rug for cohesion. So, the layout feels open and breathable. Moving on to the media entertainment. In a slatted wood backdrop, you can mount a custom full-length entertainment unit, combining light wood cabinets and open shelves. Next, a floating console in the center provides extra storage. Above it, you can place your smart TV. Now for styling, you can follow a minimal decors with a mix of indoor plants for added life and balance. Then layered in sheer white curtains and blackout drapes for function and style. And of course, lighting matters most, so add warm cove lights and LED strip lighting around the entertainment area. Also, a sculptural floor lamp added a soft ambient glow. Each piece was selected not just for comfort, but to support smooth flow, light balance, and a clean, modern feel. This dining area was meant to be simple, but simple doesn't have to be boring, so you can make a design strategy to achieve that comfort look. At the center of the space, a sleek dark wood table is paired with $160 padded dining chairs, set at the perforated wood accent. The mix brings both comfort and contrast. To complete the setup, you can add a few decorative pieces like abstract wall art that matches the dining style and indoor plants to add a fresh touch. Lighting also plays a key role, with LED strip lights highlighting the accent wall and a sculptural pendant light hanging above the table. So even if the dining corner stands out, well-designed and perfect for both daily meals and special gatherings. Moving on to the kitchen, which now has enough size. For this kind of space, a U-shaped kitchen layout is a great starting point. The cabinets can feature a 2-tone finish, light wood laminate for the lower section and matte beige for the upper, keeping the space bright while adding visual interest. For countertop, use a marble-look surface that continues seamlessly onto the Peninsula. Then here comes the integrated kitchen fixtures. In the extra space, you can put your refrigerator, but we didn't stop there. The Peninsula features a fluted wood base, paired with 2 sleek black bar stools, perfect for casual dining or quick morning routines. Next, essential kitchen displays can be added. Of course, for layered lighting, you can install LED strip lights under the upper cabinets and beneath the Peninsula to enhance both function and ambiance. Finally, a pair of bold black dome pendant lights serve as a sculptural statement that anchors the entire kitchen. So now, the kitchen feels like a stylish and seamless extension of the home, efficient and thoughtfully designed. Now, let's talk about the bedroom and guest room. They will follow the same core strategy, smart layouts, and functional storage. In both rooms, they features the same upholstered bed with a padded headboard placed at the center of an accent wall. They're also styled similarly, with soft pillows and cozy blankets. Then you can add a low-profile area rug each, though in different designs, but both brings comfort. But the planning was adjusted to suit each room's function. In the main bedroom, since the space is larger, a pair of minimalist box-frame nightstands was placed on both sides of the bed. You can install here a custom built-in wardrobe with sliding doors and open shelves, offering organized and space-saving storage for clothes and display. Meanwhile, you can keep the guest room more minimal. A slimmer built-in wardrobe with sliding doors and overhead cabinets was added to make the most of the vertical space in this tighter area. When it comes to decor, both rooms were styled simply, with only a few accent pieces. Then for the window treatments, they share the same sheer curtains paired with blackout drapes for both privacy and light control. Lighting in both rooms follows a layered setup. A soft ambient light comes from LED strip lights, complemented by a modern minimalist floor lamp with fabric shade. So, no matter the time of day, each room feels warm and well-balanced. Whether it's your bedroom or a guest's, the design should always feel naturally beautiful and effortless. The foyer sets the tone for the entire home, so we redesigned this area to create a warm and welcoming first impression. Start by maximizing the wall space. You can add built-in entryway cabinetry with bench seating, wherein the open sections provide easy access to coats, bags, and shoes, offering both tidiness and convenience. Then you can also integrate built-in bench, not just for seating, but as a practical spot for putting on shoes or placing bags. This makes even the busiest mornings feel more organized and calming. On the opposite wall, installed 3 vertical oval mirrors, not only functional, but also helpful in making the space appear larger and brighter. You can buy it for around $90 only. Next, at the center, a rug with a subtle graphic pattern grounds the area. Its soft tones keep the space visually calm, allowing the natural textures to stand out. As for the final touch, you can style the foyer with a sculptural vase filled with flowers and a piece of modern artwork that complements the overall look. Now, an LED strip lights were also added under the cabinets and behind the mirrors, enhancing the mood and giving the space a soft, intentional glow. Now, this foyer doesn't just welcome you with beautiful ambiance, it reflects thoughtfulness and care. The moment you step in, it already feels like home. Let's now take a tour of the complete makeover. This marks our 59th project in the 100 Interiors Challenge, where we redesigned the living, dining, kitchen, bedrooms, and foyer. Lately, we've been getting a lot of inquiries about our services, so to accommodate those who urgently need interior design, we're now accepting priority requests. Also, if you need urgent design, visit our website at www.designburst24.com or hire us directly on Fiverr via the link below. If you want more home transformations, make sure to subscribe.